People hear strange sound coming from empty children's playground. Then firefighters make shocking discovery. On a Saturday afternoon, a school playground in Connecticut looked completely empty. Then came the noise. A strange scraping and thudding echoed from inside the slide, and it was clear something wasn't right. Firefighters arrived expecting maybe a child in trouble. Instead, they found a 40-year-old man wedged headfirst in the middle of the slide. He had tried to push himself through, but folded over in the narrow tunnel, stuck halfway down and unable to move. The hot weather made the situation worse. The plastic slide had heated up in the sun, and inside it felt suffocating. The only option was to take the slide apart. For nearly half an hour they worked, sparks flying as the structure slowly split open, and at last, the man was freed. Photos later showed him curled in a fetal position inside the wrecked slide. The playground, however, was left with a ruined piece of equipment, just 2 weeks before students were due to return to school. The man, despite the ordeal, refused a trip to the hospital.